my channel, so I wanted to just start off the vlog and just talk about each product real quick, just because I feel like I haven't done that in a while, just to tell you what they do, their benefits, the uses, and different things like that. So first, I'm going to start off with the hydrating leave-in conditioner. So this is handmade. All my products are handmade by me. And so this is a leave-in conditioner that's great for anyone who has curly to kinky curly hair or coily or afro textured hair. Oh, anyway, so this helps to define your curls, but it also helps to detangle your curls and also add hydration and softness to your hair. This has marshmallow root extract in it, which is a natural herb that is known for its detangling properties, and it has really high moisturization properties as well. This also has grapefruit in it. Grapefruit is known for strengthening the hair follicle, reducing hair fall, and it's rich in vitamin C. And then this also has shea butter, which is known for its moisturization properties as well. It has grapeseed oil. It also has olive oil in it. And yeah, so everything is all natural and organic ingredients. So if you want to hydrate, define, soften your hair, and you're looking for a product that's gonna really, really do what it says it's gonna do, then you're gonna wanna pick this up. This is available on my website, and this is my new bestseller. Next is the grapefruit and mint hair growth butter. So this is a whipped shea butter based product. So this product is really good for if you are wanting to do a pre-shampoo treatment. Like if you feel like your hair is really dry and you're going to go in with a shampoo, but you feel like you need to treat your hair before the fact. Maybe you have issues with detangling your hair. Maybe your hair is really super dry and you just want to give your hair a little TLC right before you shampoo. This is going to help you to add moisture. This is going to help you to detangle your curls. Yeah, this is gonna help get your hair all the way together right before you shampoo. But this product is also not just a pre-shampoo treatment. This product is great for if you like to do twist outs, if you like to do mini twists, braids, braid outs. So this is a great twisting product. So that's what I love to use this for as well. In addition to a pre-shampoo treatment, when I do my mini twist, this is all I use, in addition with the oil, which I'll get into right after this. And so we also have our grapefruit and mint hair growth oil. So this oil is great for promoting hair growth, but this oil, you can also use it to seal in moisture. Like I said, you can use it in conjunction with the butter when you're twisting. You can use this as a hot oil treatment. So this oil is really, really good. Everyone seems to love this. So yeah, go ahead and check this out on our site, and you can check out the reviews. We have reviews for every product, but yeah. So I've been using this about every other day or so to moisturize my scalp while I have it in this twist. And yeah, the butter, I've been using it for mini twists when my hair is not in a protective style like this. It's in mini twists for the winter. So yeah, that's what I use the butter for that. Then the leave-in conditioner, if I'm wearing my hair like curly or whatever, or out, this is what I'll use. Or if I just want to do an updo, I'll use the leave-in. Okay, and so I did talk about the butter already, but we do have them available in a 4-ounce size. So if you want to try out a smaller size, we do have that available. And the last product is our Jamaican black castor oil. So this is great if you want to thicken your edges, or if you really want to grow your eyebrows or your eyelashes. This is safe to use on your eyebrows and your eyelashes. You can also add this to your lotions to moisturize your skin. I love to use this for is my ends. So like I said, I like to do mini twists. So what I'll do is I'll put the oil at the ends of my hair, because this castor oil is really thick, and I'll just use this on my ends just to really add like a really thick layer of oil on my ends to protect it. And I really, really like that. And I feel like it's been keeping my ends really healthy. So that's what I use this for the most. So pretty much wanted to just wrap up and talk about each product real quick. And let's get into the vlog. So I want to just come in real quick and just give you guys like the reality. Even though I am a small business owner and I do small business vlogs, and I have a small business and I do get orders, I still have a full-time job. So that's just my reality. And I know that a lot of vlogs on here, the entrepreneur does their business full-time because they make enough to support their lifestyle. So that's just not my reality right now, but I'm going to speak it into existence that I will be a full-time entrepreneur very, very soon. But yeah, so basically in order to be a full-time entrepreneur and to support your lifestyle, whatever your lifestyle may be, but let's say
you want to be able to pay yourself $50,000 a year. You're going to need to make probably 3 times that in order to pay yourself that amount, because not only do you need to profit $50,000, you also need to have money. You need a certain percentage that goes back into the business to keep the business running, to pay for operational expenses. And then on top of that, you also need to put a decent amount of percentage, let's say 20%, aside for taxes. Have profit that's big enough to support you and your lifestyle. So it is a lot of money that you need to make in order to make that a reality. And I feel like people don't talk about that enough. Like, it's not like, oh, start a business, you can work for yourself. Like, the amount of money that goes into it. So like for me, in order for me to be able to, like, let's just use the word 50,000, I would need to be making like over $100,000 a year in my business in order for me to make that. So maybe I would need to be making $150,000 a year in order to pay myself 50. So yeah, so that's a lot of money to generate for yourself. And then, you know what I mean? So I'm just saying, so I just wanted to just talk about that. So yeah, so my business is very much still in the beginning stages. I would love for it to blow up and take off. And I do believe that my time is coming. But I'm just going to be positive and speak positively about my business and just love the journey and appreciate every step, because like Miley Cyrus said, it's the climb, truly. It's true. But yes, and everybody always says that. Even when people make it really big, they always say it's not about getting there, it's about the journey. And I know that that's what everybody says, so it must be true to just focus on the journey and not really trying to get to the destination. And if I can just be happy in the process, that's all that I can really control, because only God knows how long it's going to take for that time to happen. But it's possible. Millions of people have done it. I know I can do it. And the Bible says that God has no partiality with men, which means God does not have any favoritism. So if God did it for someone, he can do it for me, and he will. And I just have to wait for my time. So yeah, so I just want to talk about that. So yeah, anyway, I had an interview today because I actually need to get a new job, because the job I work for, we lost our grant. The program I work for, I did not say the job. The program within the company I work for lost its grant. So there's only like 10 of us that are actually affected by this. So the company, they have multiple sites, multiple positions available. So I'm just trying to figure out what my next move is going to be. And I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, I just want to pop in here and just talk about that real quick, because I feel like people don't talk about that enough. Okay, so yesterday I made about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We'll say about 19 to 20 oils. So I just have to finish labeling them. So yeah, so these are the Grapefruit and Mint hair growth oils. I did mention them in the beginning. It's a lightweight oil. So basically what I do is if the bottles, when I take them out of the box, are dusty, which they usually are, I'll just wipe down the bottles with rubbing alcohol, and then I fill up the bottles with the oil, and then I'll wipe them off again with rubbing alcohol just to get off any oil. And so these ones were the ones that I wiped them down yesterday, but I just didn't finish labeling them. So I only have one order to pack. She ordered a leave-in conditioner and 2 of these oils. So I only had 1 in stock. I'm hoping that in an ideal world, I would love if things could just pop off with my business, because then I could just, like, if things could pop off in the next 2 months, I would literally love that, because that would just like make me so happy and make my life easier. But I have been interviewing and just trying to see what my options are, because I need to find a new job. But honestly, this is what I would rather be doing, but we'll see. Only God knows, and I'm just going to continue to pray. Like, I might even do a fast. I was thinking about doing a fast, because I just need God to like intervene in this situation, because I really just need to know like what I'm supposed to do, if I'm supposed to
get another, like, what job am I supposed to get? Like, I just want to know like what God wants me to do in this time, because at the end of the day, I just want to be happy in what I'm doing, and like I know that this makes me really really happy, and I do feel burnt out at my current job. So but I also need to make money, so I can't just like not work, because I need to make money, and I have like a lot of goals that I want to reach this year financially. And so I'm just gonna pray and just keep, seeking God and see what He says. But yeah, that's what's been going on in my life. So we'll see. I'm gonna stop talking, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so I feel like I've been sucking at vlogging today, but I did film a few reels. I'm so happy with how my content is evolving. Like, my content just looks so like aesthetic, and I just love the way my reels have been looking lately. And I just feel like my vision has been coming to pass, and I'm so happy. It's crazy what good lighting can do, you know what I mean? And just finding inspiration and like what that can do for you. So I just love the way my reels have been looking. So if you're watching that, please follow me on Instagram. I really hope that I start getting more views and like engagement and stuff, but obviously more importantly sales. But like, I want my views to go up. Especially because I'm looking at my stuff, I'm like, how did this not go viral? Like, sometimes I just look at my stuff and I'm like, how did I only get this many views? Like, I'm just so confused. But anyway, so I only have one package. You guys saw me package it. I'm gonna go drop it off. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna sit in my car and like try to like get more inspiration, because my car is all warm and I don't feel like going back inside. Sometimes I just sit in my car for a little bit. That's probably what I'm gonna do, and just like try to make reels or just like get more ideas. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't really think there's anything else I'm going to do for today, because the sun is going down, and once the sun goes down I don't really film, because I just feel like content looks way better during the daytime. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if this vlog was all over the place. I really don't know what it's going to look like, because I feel like I've kind of just been doing little clips here and there. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and then I'm gonna start a new one. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you guys want to support me, you can click the link in the description box and shop my hair care products, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.